Manila.
Oh,
Quezon
Manila. No
City.
wonder why y'all are really
Quezon
good at English.
City.
Y'all speak English there a lot, or is it Tagalog in
Tagalog.
Manila? In Manila?
Taglish.
Okay.
Taglish. Tagalog
Tagalog.
and English.
It depends where you're.
It depends where? What? It depends on
Ano,
what?
it depends when, tawag dito?
It depends who we are talking with.
Yes, and what
Huwag ka na mag-talk.
what language you can, you know.
Are
It
you, are,
depends on the
are
person.
you are you having a nosebleed?
No, like,
It
here in
depends
the
on the
Philippines,
Just a runny nose.
there's, yeah.
Oh, I thought it was a
runny-
nosebleed. Can you teach me Biko? Is it Biko?
Because, magayon. You say magayon.
Magyon? Magyon?
Maga,
Ma? Ga?
ga, yon.
Yon. Magayon.
Magayon. Beautiful,
Gorgeous.
pretty. Yeah.
I'll say, how do you say you are Magayon?
Magayon ka. Magayon ika.
Ika. Magayon Ika. So that means you're beautiful.
Yes.
How about
Malang.
mabata?
Mabata. Mabaho.
Yeah, I knew it.
How did you know?
Yeah, where did you learn that?
I got some Filipino friends here. There's one more I forget. Mabata, Magayon. Oh, I know it. One more. It means cute. He said it's udo. It means cute. Yeah, like you're cute is
What?
you are udo.
No!
That's
Udo.
cute.
No.
No. In Bicol, udo means sheep. Like poop.
Yeah, poop.
Sheet? Like Shih Tzu?
No, like
Poof.
poop.
Poop.
Poof. What a poof. Like poof disappear?
No,
Coming out in your...
Oh.
poop. Poop.
It means poop, basically.
Yes,
Yeah.
poop. Poof ka kasi na poof. Poop. Yun.
Poop, 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 poop,
Poop.
poop.
Oh, this song. How do you say where are you going?
Saan ka pupunta?
Son? And
Saan
then ka.
pupunta?
San ka
Pupunta.
to the moon?
Sa kapunta to the moon. Road trip. Vroom vroom. Skr skr.
Did I do it right?
Yeah.
Dito tayo.
You did it pretty good.
Nagkapunta to the
Dito
moon.
pa tayo,
Skirt, skirt.
te.
Brum, brum.
Pag ako nainis.
Hindi kita pinagtitripan?
Ay, put.
Sabi na eh.